In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how to use the Dieline template maker feature in Pacdora. First, navigate to the official Pacdora website. The link will be provided in the description below for your convenience. Once you're on the website, simply click on Login to create your account. After setting up your account, click on the Dieline template maker. This will lead you to a page displaying various Dieline categories. On the left side, you can explore each category to find what you're looking for. If you're unable to locate a specific Dieline, you can use the search feature. Say, for example, I want to modify or download this Dieline file. I'll simply click on it, which will bring me to a new page. In the center, you'll see the Dieline file. On the left, you'll see the dimensions of this Dieline file. You'll also notice that the bleed is represented in green, the crease in red, and trim in blue. To change the color representation, you can find options at the bottom. You can also enable or disable the display of different dimensions within the Dieline file. Plus, there's an option to zoom in or out. On the left, we have the Models option at the top. In the library, you can change your model or mockup file for the Dieline. Simply select any other Dieline file you'd prefer to use. The My section will display all the previous Dieline files you've worked on. Next, we have the Basics. This is the main section where you can customize all the dimensions for your Dieline file. You can select millimeters or inches at the top and easily adjust the length, width, or height. You can even customize the thickness by entering your own values. Next, we have the Choose Material section. Here, you can select from various materials for your Dieline. Then, we have the Size mode. You can select any size mode from this section. If you need more information about each of these features, simply click on the information icon. Here, you can read detailed information about each feature. Next, we have the Advanced Features section. Here, you can make changes to even the smallest dimensions, which are highlighted on our file. However, this feature is only available with the business plan. Since I'm currently on the Pro plan, I can't access this feature. On the right side, you can see the open and close animation for our Dieline file. Below, you can select any format to download the file. You can download it in AI Adobe Illustrator format, PDF format, DXF format, or even as a 3D mockup that is in JPG format. Let's say I want to download it in PDF Dieline format. I'll simply select this option and click on Download the Dieline. It will take some time, but our Dieline file will be downloaded easily. As you can see, our Dieline file has been downloaded. You can click on it and you will have a PDF with detailed dimensions. To download this file, you need to purchase one of the paid plans. Moving on to the pricing section of Pacdora, you can choose either the monthly or yearly plan. If you opt for the yearly plan, you will receive an additional 43% discount. Moreover, I'll share a coupon or promo code that will provide you with an extra discount. If you choose the monthly plan, the Lite plan will cost $14 per month. The Pro plan will be $29 per month, and the Business plan will be $99 per month. You can also examine the features each of these plans offers. Each plan includes no watermark, varying quality exports for videos and images, and AI credits in increasing order. Once you've decided which plan to buy, simply click on Buy or Upgrade, and you'll be taken to the checkout page. Here, on the checkout page, you'll see an option to add a promotion code. Simply click on it, enter the code TECH, and then click on Apply. As you can see, a 20% discount has been applied on top of the 43% discount we had earlier. Now, on the right side, you can enter your details and complete the payment procedure. That's all for the Dieline template maker in Pacdora. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.